In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Notion support, a simple Notion tutorial crafted especially for beginners. Let's dive right in and get you the assistance you need from Notion's support team. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Notion settings. This step is crucial, as it acts as the gateway to accessing various features, including the help options. When you open Notion, look toward the top of your workspace. Here, you'll find a distinct icon, or perhaps your profile picture. Click on it. This action will unfold a menu, giving you access to the settings. Now, with the settings menu open, the next thing you need to do is click on the tab labeled Help and Support. This section is the central hub for all the support resources Notion offers. It's designed to provide users with easy access to guides, community forums, and direct support options. By selecting Help and Support, you're essentially telling Notion that you would like some assistance with your experience. Once you're in the Help and Support section, you'll see a variety of options catered to different support needs. You'll want to focus on finding contact support, which is specifically there for users who have queries, problems, or require direct interaction with the support team. Clicking Contact Support will redirect you to a page or a pop-up, prompting you to provide details about your issue or question. Finally, it's time to compose your message or request to send to Notion support. This part is key, as it involves explaining what you need help with succinctly and clearly. Think about the issue you're facing, or the assistance you require, and frame it in a straightforward manner. Whether you're experiencing a bug, have billing questions, or need guidance on features, the more precise you are in your message, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you efficiently. After crafting your message, hit Send, and it will be on its way to Notion's dedicated support team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to reaching the assistance you need with ease. Remember, whether it's troubleshooting, feature queries, or any other form of help, Notion's support team is there to ensure you have the best experience possible with their platform. With a little patience, you'll soon find yourself receiving the answers and support you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Notioning.